Hey, what do you all think of party switching? Is it ethical for a member of parliament or MLA to fight the election under the banner of one party, contest the election, win from that party, and be with their ideology and all, and then later on down the line, if he's in trouble and he wants to quit the party, and then should he be allowed to join the opposition party? I think it's not fair. It's very unethical. See, if you are fighting under Congress and then you go and join BJP or vice versa, that means you are cheating public. Public voted for you because you were with the ideology of that party. So it's very unfair. This should not be accepted. It's not acceptable. So either they should complete the term or quit the party. And next time, either they should fight independently or choose a party which they want to continue to work with. Because every party has their own ideology and every party has their own following voters. So you should not be allowed to switch the party in between. You have to complete the tenure. That's my take. Another thing, under anti-defection law, they said if 2/3 party members they quit, then it should be allowed. So I think this law also should be studied and modified. If for some greater good and for a greater cause, if it is required for 2/3 party members to quit and join the other party, then it's okay. But not in case of 1 or 2 MLAs or MPs. Other thing, many people are very unhappy about this anti-defection law, that High Command uses the whip and they have to toe their line. And if they don't, then they are thrown out from the party and then the parliament or assembly. I think High Command should not have that power. If any anti-party activities have been done, or if horse trading or cash for query or cash for vote has been taken and all, the proper investigation has to be done. And if that is proven right, then they can be thrown out from the party. And then again the chair has to investigate it. And if person is found guilty, then he can be thrown out from the parliament or legislative assembly. Otherwise, he can continue his term. So I feel there should be a democracy, because there is no democracy in that that if elected member is asking some right question in parliament against the party wishes, and then he is thrown from the party. So we have to really know what steps should be taken for parliamentary proceedings to carry on, where the members they raise the question for the welfare of their constituency. That is one thing. And the other thing is that members should be given freedom of speech. So I think that's my take. Only if 2/3 members they